such a pussy.
Has it started? Has it started?
That started.
This is round 2, because Michael's such a pussy and he didn't believe that I beat him in the first round.
If you look over to Shaw's shirt, there's a little spillage there from the first time. He's a cheater.
See that spillage? There was more left in his cup.
Not only am I gonna beat Shaw, after I beat him, I'm gonna stop and finish his.
Not only am I gonna beat him, but after I beat him, he's gonna give you a fucking.
I'm gonna wash your knob.
BJ? BJ?
I'm gonna wash your
Yo,
knob.
get those up right the fuck now.
I'm gonna wash your
Get him
knob.
up.
Yo, you do a 1, 2, 3 cheers and then drink.
Okay, don't spill any though, bro. Yo, this is for Ballback Short. That was George's little penis. Let's go.
That was Jordan's knob.
Hey, stop talking about my knob.
No more thing.
Yo, get him up. Get him up.
No, we want to do cheers down here and then the winner go.
Fuck the cheers. Get him up. Put him by the light.
Way to do it.
Whatever, bitch.
Yo.
Whatever he wants to do.
Put him by the
I'm
light.
gonna hold it up there.
You can. That's what I'm saying. So it's 1, 2, 3 cheers and then we go. Ready?
It's you, ref.
Get him up. Get him up where I can see
I
him.
can't fucking hold any higher.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I wasn't watching, you fucking horse.
Yeah, they're on video.
That's why we got video.
Yo, who put it down first?
I'm gonna go with
It wasn't about putting it down.
Hold on.
I think I took him down.
Who's Chichi and Chong? Who's Chichi? Who's Chong? Who's Chichi? Who's Chong?
You never met a competitor.